You are going to be working around the cooling system, and even though you are not opening any coolant lines, the risk of injury is high if you are not working on a stone-cold vehicle. Begin by removing the front and side engine panels. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with those tasks. You will also need to remove the charged air or Y pipe. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance. With the panels and pipe removed, you're going to remove the coolant overflow line from the top of the radiator shroud, indicated by red arrows. The coolant line connects to the radiator hose fitting on the left side. Use a set of hose clamp pliers and remove the clamp, red arrow. This fitting gets brittle from the heat. I like to run a small pick around the hose connection before I separate it. A very small amount of fluid may leak out. Use a T30 Torx and remove the two screws holding the overflow line bracket from the shroud, red arrows. Follow the line to the coolant reservoir and press in on the tab and separate the line. You can just set this line out of the way, but by removing it completely, you eliminate the risk of breaking it. Pull back on the tab and separate the electrical connection for the fan, red arrow. Release the clips holding the wiring harness to the shroud and set the harness out of the way. There are 4 plastic clips that the shroud sits in, 2 on each side. The top one has clips that help hold the shroud in place. Use a long flathead screwdriver on both sides and press the clips back. You can now lift the shroud up and out. Place the fan down on a flat surface. Note the tabs on the top of the shroud and use care not to break them. Gently lift up on the tab holding the electrical connection in place and back it out, red arrow. Completely release the electrical cable from the shroud. Use a T25 Torx and remove the 3 screws holding the fan to the shroud, indicated by the red arrows. Once the fan is free, it will fall out from the shroud, so be aware. The new fan comes complete and can just be reinstalled. The shroud is also a single piece and can be replaced independent of the fan. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.